Hello YouTube, the Scientist Kid here again, and in today's video we're going to be making our own DIY dextrin out of cornstarch for use in our pyrotechnics. Let's hop right into it.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Alright, so first you're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. And pour your cornstarch. I don't have a lot of it because still in the process of decanting the starches out of the previous episode, cornstarch from corn. Should be out by the time this video is out though. That's about the only bit I have because I lost half my other stuff. And we're just gonna spread that out about as thin as you possibly can. Alright, so now we're gonna add this to the preheated oven, and as soon as you put it in there, start a 4-hour timer, and every 20 minutes stir it up as good as you can and put it, I don't really know what you call it, but re-flatten it as flat as possible, and do that until 4 hours is up, and I'll meet you then. Okay, so I let it bake for about an hour on top of that, so it was actually 5 hours. Checking it every 20 minutes, but don't believe I recorded that last hour. All right, let this cool this down real quick. All right, we have the finished product. I ended up doing it for 5 hours at 400 degrees instead, and you see it's British gum, but it's the slightly yellow version, I believe. I should put it in there. I'm trying to scrape the pan, and I didn't do that much, but as you can see, there we go.